Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is AFIQAH binti NORLIZAM and I'm from class JIM2463A. And today I'm going to present to you guys about the PC troubleshooting. The issues is battery draining issues. So in this video, there are contents of introduction, the problems, the solutions and the conclusion, and I'm going to explain to you guys what all of that. Okay, so the first one is introduction. The term troubleshooting refers to a methodical approach to problem solving that is often used to locate and fix problems that are associated with a complicated equipment, electronics, computer systems, and software applications. In this case, I will do a problem that usually happens to all laptops or computers regardless of the type or brand of the computers, which is battery draining faster than usual and suddenly it shuts down in minutes. So let's take a look at the first problem, which is display brightness. Why display brightness become one of the problems? It is because the maximum display brightness can consume more power that can affect the battery itself. Okay, so for the problem display brightness, we can solve them by adjust the brightness setting of your laptop screen. First, you can go to setting, and after that click system, and then click on display where the brightness level can be adjusted. Then you can adjust the screen brightness level according to your desired level and at your convenience. Try not to keep it high as it can burn your laptop's battery more rapidly. Now let's take a look at the second one, which is unwanted programs and applications running in the background. Why these problems happen is because the programs and the applications consume too much power, and when it runs at the same time, it needs more power than usual. So for this problem, we can close or end any unwanted feature or process from running by go to setting and click on apps. After that, click on apps and features. Then click on any apps that you wanted to end or close, or simply uninstall any app from your system. Now let's look at the third problems, which is network connections. Some people might not know that Wi-Fi connection or a network connection can cause the battery draining. It is because the user tend to connect the Wi-Fi when they didn't use it or when they offline. Okay, so the third one is the network connection problem. So we can solve them by minimize the network connection. There are two methods on how to minimize the network connection. and I'm going to show you the first method first. Go to your settings and click on network and internet. After that, scroll down until you found advanced network settings. Then you can disable any network that you think that can consume more power on your battery. And for the second method, but these methods work on some of Windows versions. So first, go to control panel, then click on network and internet, and next click on network connections, and from there you can choose any network, right click and just disable or forget it. Now let's look at the fourth problem, which is peripherals devices. Why peripheral devices become one of the problems? Peripheral devices such as mouse, keyboard, speakers, USB flash drive and others can cause battery draining is because all of the devices will use more power from the battery if it is not used. So for the fourth problem is get rid of unwanted peripheral devices by go to settings or click on the device icon on the taskbar and then right click it to safely remove the connected devices or just disconnected all the unwanted peripheral devices from it. Last but not least is power settings. Power setting become one of the problems is because it's automatically changed according to our laptop's battery performance or a change in the system itself. The last one is power setting. We can adjust the power setting on your laptop by go to the settings and click on system, then click on power and battery, and after that adjust settings for sleep and screen time when the system is turned on or hibernated. As for the conclusion, battery problems are the last thing we want to have to deal with on a regular basis. It is crucial to be aware of what we are capable of while using a laptop, and doing so help us to get an understanding of what we are able to do when we leave our laptops on for an extended period of time. But we don't have to worry because the problems that happen always have their solution, just like the battery draining. So that's all from me, and thank you for listening to my videos, and I hope with this video I can help many people to solve this problem without spending any money on their laptops. So bye and assalamualaikum.